Okay, here's a little cereal premium back from the late 50s, early 60s, somewhere in there, back when you used to be able to get toys inside your cereal boxes. Now this isn't the full size of the cereal box, obviously. I made this little miniature of the box so it could represent it. But basically what you got inside there was a little robot you'd snap together, and he has a counterweight, and you hook a string on it, and if you lay the counterweight over the corner of a table, then it pulls the robot. Of course, you could pull it by hand, but mystery action, moving arms. You got all that good stuff for free. So here we have the edge of a counter, and I do realize the robot is really small. It's going to be hard for you guys to see anything, but I got the counterweight here, and I got it dangling over the edge of the counter. So if you can see my hand, I know there's reflections too, then you should be able to see the robot. Well, let's see if we can get things working here. So you can see that when the wheels turn, they'll kick up the arms every now and then. Let's see if we can get that going. This is glass, so it doesn't get really good traction on the glass. There we go. I wonder if I go lengthwise, if I run the weight over this edge here, like so, and then if we go this way with it. Having such a hard time getting any traction on those wheels on the glass. Oh dear. I don't have a piece of cardboard out here that I can lay on this glass. Someone had suggested that I keep a piece out here for it, and I think that's a good idea. Oh, there we go. Let's move the camera down here. Maybe the weight just needs to be further over the edge. Anyway, you get the idea. What do you want for a cereal premium gift, right? For a freebie. You got the robot, you got your cereal, you got a counterweight. Sure wish they'd start doing that sort of thing again before people started suing them for little parts that can be swallowed. If your kid's dumb enough to swallow the parts, then they kind of deserve to go to the doctor's office. But that's just an example of some of the cool toys you used to be able to get for free.